Alright, we're going to look at the next four. We're starting our operations of polynomials. We're going to look at 2 for adding and subtracting. So here, there's no distributing to do or anything first, so we're going to try to find our like term. So 5 plus 3 is 8x squared, and then negative 2x and plus 7. So negative 2 plus 7 is 5x. Okay, so watch your signs there. Make sure you don't change the exponents when you add or subtract. Okay, here you'll notice this is a subtraction problem because it has a minus between the parentheses. We bring the first terms down. We distribute. And then we're going to look for our like terms, 2x squared, and we're going to put it in standard form. Negative 4 and positive 7 is plus 3. Okay, so watch your signs there, and then always answer in standard form. Okay, let's look at number 11 and 12. This is multiplying. So here, 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. When you take your variables, when you multiply, you add exponents. So there's 1 plus 1 is 2. And here we're going to do the distributive property. 7 times 3 is 21. X times x is x squared. 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. And there's just one x there. So that takes care of that problem there.